How to cut fajita onions perfectly every time. Fajita ingredients like peppers, meat, and onions require proper preparation. Onion slicing affects cook time, flavor, and ratio. Learn perfect fajita onion cutting. Fajita recipes primarily use white onions for their strong, zesty flavor, unlike the milder yellow onions. Red onions serve as a robust alternative, commonly used in Mexican dishes, ensuring flavors persist when sautéed with peppers before adding to fajitas. Fajita onions are sliced into long strips, not diced, ensuring they soften but retain chewable texture. Unlike hidden onions in other dishes, these are visible and flavorful. Learn to cut them perfectly for optimal taste and texture. Start by peeling the onion, then slice off root and stem ends. Halve the onion and lay flat. Make 1/4 inch vertical slices. When you reach the core, turn it and continue slicing. Separate slices into even strips. Dry the cutting board, place a damp cloth underneath to prevent slipping, and use a sharp knife like Cuisinart for safe, efficient slicing. Consider a finger guard for beginners. These tips enhance safety, ensuring stable, efficient cutting of thick onion strips without injury. Sauté onions on medium to low heat for 7 to 10 minutes with a neutral oil, bell peppers and seasonings, salt, paprika, cumin, garlic, and chili powder. Use 1/2 to 1 teaspoon per serving. This enhances flavor, sears onions, and complements tortilla meat.